Hey everyone, let's chat about steps. The solid step setup is relatively new on the camper industry and it's going huge. Everybody seems to be putting something like these steps on their campers. And there's a few questions about them. So I just want to simplify this and walk you through it. So here is a walkthrough of the Lippert solid step. First and foremost, I want to start you with, make sure you open the door all the way. If you open up the door halfway, you will catch the sides on the door frame. Next, right here is going to be an unlock knob. It's basically unlocking the mechanisms that's holding this on the side. Bring it all the way down. Now you're going to see this isn't perfectly level. On the inside, there's a little pull tab. You pull the tab out until it latches down in. Now it's nice and solid. Go over to the other side and do the same. Nice and solid. Next, going to shut the door on this, you're thinking it's fine because you've got it all set up, it's nice and solid. Notice it won't shut because this is actually too much at an angle. Even though it feels nice and solid, it's still not correct. So, again, just adjust it a little bit. Double check, make sure you clear your steps. And now you are all set. Alright, now putting them back in. When I bring them up to put them back in, I kind of wipe them off. I personally keep a broom right inside. Bring it in, make sure you lock in. You will hear a click when you bring it all the way in, which are these latches clicking over to make sure it's locked. Always double check and pull it back. There you go. That is the Lippert solid step. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and check out my other videos.